Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness, and welcome back to E30 Things, mysteriously, as we're here. However, if you're a loser like me because you don't have a Bugatti, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a part of the not loser group and you own a Bugatti and you can invest time in paying attention to stuff like me, thank you. If you do own a Bugatti, and I think the last time I recall something about Bugatti owners, they have a fleet of cars and a private jet. But, you know, let's not even get into that. I'm just a finance guy who likes numbers. Outside of that, now, wonderful people like Donut Media that's promoting YouTube channels that you should be aware of, that mysteriously has a list of channels that people aren't aware of, that the majority of the list has over 100,000 subscribers. What? Huh? How does that work? These are the channels we should be... Huh? Really? Huh? Huh? This will be the part where I typically start cursing. But, yeah, I'm gonna act like I'm not annoyed at it. So, let me show you what's going on here before I go on more in my wonderful rant. And why I'm squinting? It's bright as hell outside, and I don't feel like putting on glasses to look like a douche. But I think I might need to start wearing one. Let's get back to what I'm talking about. Oh, this transition is gonna be epic. Oh, I'm not editing this out. So, this is what I did. Now, reason why we did this. There's the wonderful tucked radiator here from a company that I'm not going to say anything about because bump them. Because I tucked the radiator, I couldn't keep the wonderful cool option of the backwards hood. So the next time I get an E30, I'm not using this tuck radiator thing because I like the flippy hood on the other side. This is the other problem with this, in the event you thought about doing this. It is eventually going to scratch the shit out of your paint. Unless you put little strips at the bottom here to cushion it. But, you know, I essentially plan on repainting this car eventually. And to make it look pretty, because heaven forbid you don't repaint your car and don't let it look pretty so you can drive around and actually thrash on it. So, the install procedures for this. The pin, the latch pin here, is screwed down into holes already on the cross member. So we didn't have to bore a hole for that. Figure out the height, put the hood back into the wonderful little crevice that holds it, mark where this thing hits the hood, bore a hole, cut out hole, drop things in, screw things on, curse a couple of times, voila, hood latch. Because we can't drive around with the hood off all the time. I'm fairly certain I'm going to be taking it off, but, you know, I want to do hood rat things with my friends. Now, back to you wonderful people that subscribe to this wonderful channel. We need to wonderfully get to about 10,000 subscribers so YouTube stop throwing us at the bottom of the barrel. Like other YouTubers who get a wonderful lift and make a whole video of it. There's a lift here. It's like, no, really, it works. It goes up and down. Does things. Ah, man. If you're also wondering, it's like, oh man, what's going on? There's an air tank here that works. It makes a lot of noise. That's a helmet for a bicycle when I'm outside riding around not trying to be a fat ass. See? There's even a hose that's not electronically connected to things. See? It's like, I got cool things, subscribe. See, this is the other post that balances out the lift. Like, oh man, what is this about? Yep, that works. We're back over here in the messy corner. There's a welder. There's another welder. That one welds aluminum, this one doesn't. I should have gotten the one that welds aluminum and everything in one. I was stupid. Then I had to get another one. Hey, stop doing that. Alright, still. Damn it! Why is this thing zooming out? But yes, there's this. There's a wonderful cabinet with crap in it. All sorts of crap is in there. There's a harness for a GTE with an earbox. Is that an earbox? No, I don't think that's an earbox. I think that's an ECU box. There's things in here. They serve a purpose. It's like foot pedal for the TIG setup on the Miller. And what's that? It's .4 that causes my skin to break out because it's evil. But alright. No, really. Get us to 10,000 subscribers. 7,500 of you come here and are never subscribed. Help a brother out. Do I need to get cats? Do I need to get cats? What's going on here? Oh yeah, I also don't have $15,000 to pay somebody with 1 million+ subscribers to advertise my channel. So, you can feed this starving African for 99 cents per day. Or, here's another option. Subscribe to Hair Club for Men. Hey, people, my hairline is trying to crip walk out of my life. Why don't you let me advertise your product? So, you know. Either way, I don't have $15,000 to pay somebody with 1 million subscribers to advertise my channel. Hence, won't you just hit that like, subscribe button with the bell thing, because apparently that only goes out to about 10% of my subscribers as opposed to YouTube Matrix. I don't know if they're lying to me or not, but I'm one of you humble people who's a broke loser without a Bugatti. And I'm just talking shit, so don't take any of this too personally. You can come over here and enjoy my daily driven hoopty. It's not really an exotic. It's more of a piece of shit. degrees. Air inlet temperature is dancing between 95 and 97. And yeah, we're gonna go get some gas and go back to the house.